Swan Hotel. Featuring free Wi-Fi, a restaurant and a sun terrace, Swan Hotel offers accommodations in Bangkok, just 1.9 kilometers from Chinatown, Sampeng. Guests can enjoy the on-site restaurant. Some accommodations feature a sitting area to relax in after a busy day. Each room is fitted with a private bathroom equipped with a shower. You will find a 24-hour front desk at the property. Siam Paragon Mall is 3.2 kilometers from Swan Hotel, and Queen Sirikit National Convention Center is 4.8 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Don Muang Airport, 24.1 kilometers from Swan Hotel. Thanks for watching.